30-second back-to-back sets. So going from 30 seconds of one exercise right into the next. First, we're going to go through a warm-up together. So a little bit more dynamic warm-up. We're going to start with a step to knee pull-in. So we're going to take a step, pull that knee up and in towards the chest. We're going to do 5 on each side. Ideally, taking a step forward if you have the room. So that's 1 on the left side, 2, get that nice little pull, 3, 4, 5, and 5. Good, we're gonna move on to that step to quad now. So we're gonna reach back for that other foot. We're gonna come right up on that toe ideally. Again, 5 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. Good, coming to step to cradle now. For this one hand on the outside of the knee, other hand on the front of the shin. We rotate, pull up and in towards the chest. Again, 1 each side is 1, 5 on each side. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. We're going to do a single leg deadlift and we're going to reach across, back nice and flat, picking that foot up, reaching across towards that other foot. Don't collapse just a touch there. If you can't reach the foot, that's fine. Just reaching for it. 1. The other side, we're going to alternate feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right, now we're gonna get into our main training. So we do 30 seconds of one exercise, immediately into 30 seconds of a next, immediately into 30 seconds of a third. So we're going 5 exercises, boom, 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 right through. The exercises are written in such a way that you get sort of active recovery. So we're gonna go through this many times as denoted in your personal training. I'm gonna start the clock in a second. That's gonna do 30 seconds, 30-second countdown. You're gonna get a minute between rounds. So what's gonna happen? 30-second countdown will start, then we'll start our first exercise, going all the way through. At the end, I'll stop about 30 seconds into the rest period. You'll come back to the spot where I hit play, and that'll make a minute. All right, so I'm gonna hit play now. So 30-second countdown starting. First exercise, we're coming to Pogos, so feet ideally together, coming right up off the ground. If there's some reason you're unable to do a jump, then instead, pretend like I've got that foot in line, we're gonna step it forward, step it back as quickly as we can. Got about 15 seconds, and then we'll move directly into that next one. So just stay right with me. Just so you know, after this, we're gonna be coming down to the floor. So just be prepared to bring it down after this first 30 seconds ends. 3, 2, 1, hands in that guard position. Nice and explosive, nice and quick. Again, if for some reason you can't be doing that jump, step it forward and step it back. Keep it going. About 15 seconds, excuse me. Then we're coming down to the floor for roll to posts. All right, let's bring it down. Same knee and hand up, same arm and leg out. Elbow, hand, hips, bring it back down. We're gonna stay on the same side for this entire 30-second round. Elbow, hand, push the hips up towards the ceiling. Two, 1, finish out that one. And now we're just gonna switch the hand inside. Same hand and knee up, same arm and leg down. to our feet after this one. We got some body weight squats, chest and shoulders up, squatting down, coming all the way back up. Up nice and tall, looking straight ahead the whole time, pushing those knees outwards. We're coming down after this round for the last one before we rest. 3, 2, 1, bring it down. We've got either in and outs, or if you're able to, knee grab abs, hands underneath the chin, pull those knees up and in. Keep it going. 5, 4, 2, 1. Rest in. All right, you'll have a minute between rounds. So at 30 seconds, this video will end. Just rewind it to our hip play, and that will come out to a minute of rest. If you have trouble with any of the exercises, feel free to kind of like pause, rewind a little bit, watch me do it a couple different times. But going through it several times, you'll get the feel for those exercises. So again, you're gonna hit pause, rewind to the beginning, go through as many times as your personal training.